Ooh-wee.
Oooo family, welcome to another episode of From the Pan to the Plate. Listen, we're gonna do a quick sauteed chicken strips and fries. Instead of frying them, just gonna saute it all real quick. So let's get busy. You know me, I keep my pans on so they'll be talking to me. You know, gonna look under here in the cabinet. Gonna grab us a lid. We're gonna lid them up, let them cook. So they're gonna steam, they're gonna fry. It's almost like a broasting, you know. And while that's going like that, we're gonna do our chicken. It's already been cut, seasoned, pan on, throw that in. Just like that, family. This that quick. You know, you at home. You know, you need to get something going real quick for everybody to get to the house. Or you say, you know what, I'm by myself. Okay. Same. You know, you got a meeting, you know what I'm saying, you want to get to. You got something on, you know, you about to watch Oooo TV on YouTube while you eating. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Yeah. So while you watching something on YouTube, you know what I'm saying, from Oooo TV, you cooking something. You know what I mean? So I'm showing you how to cook something now. And then, you know, you watch that and you learning something else. You be like, man, ooh, we do it all. Absolutely. So right now, we just sauteing it up. You know, we just sauteing fries, move it around. You know, as it gets closer to cooking, the temp that we know, the texture that we want, we'll season it. Okay? We'll season it, family. But while we waiting on all that, family, listen. I need you to go to Oooo TV on our YouTube channel. I need you to like, subscribe, you know, comment. And then also, right after you finish that, go to the website, ooooetv.com. Look it over. And then when you get to the bottom of the page, it's going to be where you send me your information so I can text you. So then send me your information. I'll text you like all the promotions that we're going to be doing, you know, your birthday. And guess what? Send me your birthday. I got something for you. But you got to send it to me, though. If you don't send it, I don't know. All right? But when you send your birthday, I'm going to send you something. All right? But you got to go to ooooetv.com and you have to register you got to register information for me. That's the only way it works. All right? So after you do that, and then, you know, you go on back and chill. Okay? You can go ahead and chill. We're going to flip this like that. Look at that. The chicken breasts, the chicken cutlets, little strips. We cut them ourselves. We did this ourselves. Our little home fries ourselves. You know. Take that. Put that right there. Move this around. Like so. There you go. See, look at that. And then we're going to shake up our little bit of broth we have. Chicken broth. Hit it a little bit. Like that. Same thing with the strips. Just going to hit it up like that. We'll cut that back up. Let that get in there. Move it around. Look at that. Add a little bit more in there. Look at that. Then we can just cut it down, let it simmer. We're gonna wait on our fries. I mean, it's real quick, real simple. Tell me how long it took. Okay, family. Tell me how long it took. Hey, listen. One more thing that I forgot to tell you. You ready? You listening? Ooh, we reality TV. And guess what? It's gonna be live. So everything we doing gonna be live. Everything. It's not gonna be edited at all. At all. Right now we do very little editing. Very little. But we want to get away from it. We're going straight live. So every time you see us, we're gonna be live. We're gonna be outside live. I might be at your local grocery store live. You know, we just gonna be live. But I need your support. I need your support, family. Ooh wee TV. Go to the website. Order your spices. You know what I mean? When you order your spices, we'll send them to you, family. So we'll send them. I need you, family. I need you. I need you, family. So there it is. Family, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it, family. Let's get it, family. Ooh wee. Ooh wee, family. Hey, family, look at this. Now I'm going to take some of this right here. We just going to make some confetti fries. How about that? See? Told you. Listen. We doing it different. Gonna make you some sauteed confetti fries. You wasn't expecting that. I know it. I know it. And we going from the pan to the plate. That's it. From the pan to the plate. Cut that off. Cut that off. Family. Just like that. That's it, family. Just like that. Just like that, family. Just like that, family. Look, family. I mean, I don't know what to say. Other than, ooh, we getting it. We doing it. Listen, you want to be the talk of your party? You know what I'm saying? Then we'll thicken this. Ooh, family. Hold on, I ain't done yet though. But I just had to take a moment. I'm sorry, I had to take a moment because that with the confetti fries and it's all sauteed, so it's like a healthy thing. You like, I want chicken and fries, but you don't have to fry it. You don't have to grill it. You ain't got to go outside. Right on your stove. Family, listen. Listen, family. Family, family, family. That's all I can say. Y'all ready? Here we go. I'm at home. That's what we're gonna do at home, right? That's what we do at home, right? Ooh, family. Confetti, sauteed chicken strips, and fries. Look at that, family. You see that? Listen, subscribe, like, and comment.
Swinton Images Media Group.